beginning, I would suggest nature for a number of reasons. Each of us has an ancestral soul within us. Each of us carries the voices, the energy, the lives of our ancestors. And there's a lot of research now that can begin to prove that it's not just like woo-woo, that actually we are carriers of that ancestral wisdom. And our ancestors got their inspiration from nature. They watched the signs, they listened to the wind, they looked to the clouds, and that ability resides within us. And just simply sitting outside, someone says like, I don't have any nature, or I'm in the high rise in the middle of the city. The power of your imagination is profound. And again, research has been done that often what you visualize, like I'll tell you a quick research about what you imagine and nature. Like you think, I can't be out in nature, but you can in your mind, in your visualization, in your imagination. They did some research in a hospital of people recovering from appendicitis, and they wanted to see what difference does the room make, the environment make for the recovery afterwards. So some of the patients went regular room. Maybe you've heard this research before. Some of the patients were in a room where they had a big window looking out to nature. Some of the patients were in a room with a big poster, beautiful poster of nature. And then the fourth group was like modern art. Regular room, it was not worse or not better than, that it was regular recovery. With the vision out to nature, those people healed substantially better. The people with the image of nature, the poster of nature, healed equal to the people that could actually see nature. And the modern art, well, those people didn't do so well. So if you can get to nature, do it. Sit, feel. There's a cadence within the earth. And when you get really still, you can feel her and you can begin to feel her voice, her murmurs, her deep sonorous sounds and messages, and begin to look, what are the clouds saying? What are the birds saying? But if not, close your eyes and visualize yourself in the middle of a mountain meadow. Visualize the sound of the water flowing in a nearby stream. And in that moment, look to see what's occurring around you. What are the signs? Because the universe is always whispering to you. And your ancestral wisdom, because that's how your ancestors, they knew when to move, when to hunt, when to be still, when to plant, by watching the signs. And that's a really good first step for your intuition. You are so
I
easy to talk to.